Let's start with an Angular component that implements the OnDestroy lifecycle hook. We begin by importing the component and OnDestroy from @Angular core and the subscription from RxJS. Our component, called sample component, has a simple template for demonstration purposes. Within the sample component class, we declare a private property called subscription. This property will hold a reference to our observable subscription, which we need to keep track of so we can unsubscribe later. In the constructor of our component, we simulate obtaining an observable, here through a method called getObservable. We immediately subscribe to this observable, passing a function that handles the emitted data, in this case simply logging it to the console. The subscription is then assigned to the subscription property we declared earlier. The getObservable method is an example of creating an observable using RxJS. This function returns a new observable which, when subscribed to, pushes a string data emitted to its subscribers. Finally, we have the OnDestroy method. It's a lifecycle hook that is called just before the component instance is destroyed. Inside, we unsubscribe from our observable to prevent memory leaks. Unsubscription is crucial for cleanup in Angular applications to avoid running unnecessary code and creating performance issues.